Yo, yo, yo. What's good? What we got over here?
PE worth more than my car.
When the wheels cost more than the car? Shit.
Maybe.
Oh, you got the bags done. Now we're getting them wheels done. Got some more in the back. Oh, yeah. Sheesh. So what we're doing tonight is a quick swap. We're just wheel swapping it on. Did Lamb part out his car already?
Almost. He took out all the body kit. He still has the wheels on. He slapped the OEM wheels on.
Yep. So yeah, we're gonna be putting the TE37's SLs on IS300. See how they look. Boom. How much meat you got left? It's a decent amount. Time to jack up the car. You have your wheel lock? I'm in flops because it's cold as hell around here, man. You what, mate? Oh shit. Alright, it's time to use the big boy. Bags.
Korea.
This one. It's directional, so it goes on the right side.
Last time he put on my wheels and it was in the wrong direction.
Yep.
And I drove like that until like he took off my wheels and he's like, "Hey, did you know it was on the wrong direction?" And I was like, "Boo." Is it rubbing?
I don't know. You want to use the red one?
We can.
That's not gonna clear.
Ah, shit.
Look at it. Look. Go sideways from over there with the camera. That's not gonna fit, bro. If you air out, you're gonna crush your fender. Look at that. Told you. Okay, so let's remove the spacer. Right? Look, it won't sit flat because it's touching the inside control arm. See? I told you not to trust the people on the internet. I told you not to trust the people on the internet.
So how would I make it fit with the spacer on? Do I have to roll it?
You gotta pull that fender like a mother.
I mean, I am.
Or you need camber. You need lots of camber in the upper control arm. Up here. Yeah.
I am blind.
You need a camber. Alright, so obviously we air out right now. Yeah, it's not gonna clear the fender. We need, well, I mean, it clears like that. Clears just fine, but we need a camber arm up here if we want to get this to tuck. Well, first of all, we need the fenders like rolled like big time, and then yeah, we need camber arms.
We hit up the guy that did yours.
Yes, he does a really good job and it looks really clean. Look at that poke. That's some mean poke. Yeah. Now you're sad because you trusted the people on the internet.
I didn't cross them. I just want to see what they said.
Are you sure about that?
Nobody said anything about camber arms. Someone just said it depends. If it don't fit, you slap a 15mm spacer on it, then you call it a day. And I'm just like, okay, because you got the same car as me, I'm not gonna worry about it. I know.
F it. Yeah, that means you just gotta drive. You gotta drive aired up all the time now. You cannot air out if you keep this going. Oh.
That wasn't slow.
Okay, this is slow now. Oh. Oh. So much poke. That's major poke. That looks so tight. That looks so cool.
Wow, so beautiful.
What are you gonna do with these, huh? You sell to me?
You wanna rock them?
I want to try driving around on them for like a week and see how I like it.
Sure, go for it. I'll leave these at your house. You can drive
Shit.
around with it for a week.
Well, once I get my clutch fixed, because my clutch just on me.
Oh, it did?
Remember the video I sent in the group chat? My clutch was matted. Yeah.
Yeah. I can leave my wheels with you, and then if you like it,
I'll pay you the money.
pay me the money. You're only getting the free trial.
Okay.
You try before
1
you
week free
buy.
trial.
I don't care, you curb rash it.
No, I do not curb rash. Okay, so we're lifting up the back now. You're gonna put it on the back, right? Yeah. Oh, that's clearing. Oh yeah, that's clearing for sure. Look at that poke. These are all this. It's not staggered, right? It's all the same.
It's squared.
Okay.
I love it.
That look
I kinda
good.
like the rear a lot.
That fitment is pretty good. And look at that poke on the side. That looks just right. Oh, hot. Stunting on them. TE's. Yo, this looks like a mad drift car right now.
I am.
It looks mad. Look at that poke. Oh my god. What do you think? It's bootyful?
It's bootyful.
This looks hella aggressive. Damn.
Stop it. I gotta change my ride height.
You gotta get some camber arms. You're not gonna be able to air out for a while.
It's on max that I can just drive on ride height.
Yeah. And park on ride height.
And park on ride height. I can basically leave the car on ride height.
Damn.
Is there a way we can end this?
If it's not sweet, it's not tea. And if you're looking for action,
If it's not sweet, it's not
there are a
tea.
lot of things Atlantic's know. Like that Office Depot Office Max is your business go-to for printing that.
How is the drive compared to your RPF1's?
24/7 remote tech support to work.
Feel better.
Do those
Feels better?